Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that is interesting in the video that I posted about my Windows 10 machine, the future that I will give to my Windows 10 machine, lots of comments, of course, a lot of comments about what is going to be happening with it. Most the comments, just being a Windows channel is kind of logical. For the most part, most comments are, well, keep your Windows 10 machine and, make videos of it for the future as it's enrolled for, the support, the Windows updates as enrolled for extended support. So, you can follow us and keep that machine so that we can also follow if you have anything to talk about or any problems. We can, continue making videos. The other thing also that a lot of people are like, well, why not keep Windows 10 and dual boot with Linux? Well, that's not an option because the way I want to do the Linux bit is that I would not be stuck in one Linux distro. Because I've seen a lot of people put Linux Mint and do Linux Mint videos. No, that's not what I want to do. I want to actually clean install with different distros. There are literally dozens and dozens of distros, all different, all, showing a different way of working desktop and so on. So that's more what I would like to show. It's like make a few videos of different distros and so on, which would be more interesting, not be on a distro and keep there. As for the rest, for people that say, well, you won't let your PC long in the Linux world because you'll go back to Windows. I've used Linux many times in the past. I know where, what I'm doing, and I know where I'm going, and I know that, Linux is, not a bad operating system. Or the distros running with Linux are not bad operating systems. They're not for me in the terms of, once again, I cannot do what I do every day with a Linux machine. That would be impossible. And a lot of people don't understand that. And what most people that don't understand that don't understand how Windows is so flexible that Linux does not go to that point where the special stuff that you use. I'm an amateur radio operator. I have radio control software. I have software-defined receivers, that's called. I mean, I could not do any of all that I do with Linux. That's impossible. And a lot of Linux users are in their own little world and don't understand that or refuse to see it. For the other, like when I see Linux people saying that Windows is bad, it's not. Windows is great. And, I'm tired of people poo-pooing one or the other. It's like, I don't care. It's like people poo-pooing Mac. I've had a MacBook Pro for years. It's great. It was fine. I liked it. It's just not for me. That's different. It's bad. It's just not for me. Not enough choice in the software that I need and the stuff that I do, just like in Linux. And so all operating systems are great. It's just, you do what you want, but don't come to me like, Linux is more secure, this is better. It's not. They're all equal. They're all as good. I don't go there with these comments of, this is better, that is better, and so on. But I want more diversity on the channel. So, of course, the main information on this channel would always be Windows, which is what this is a dedicated machine for. But, it'll be interesting to see the future. But for now, of course, I'm keeping the Windows 10 machine. And my bigger focus probably would be the fact that by early 2026, I will need to start looking at a Copilot+PC type machine. Something that ensures the future of this channel by being what's next. Because this is the thing about channels that dedicate themselves to technology. You have to move on. like the technology is moving on. So I don't know. We're going to check that out. I was thinking of maybe doing some kind of partnership, maybe with some PC manufacturers. See what, you know, would you, you know, would you, either give me or lend me a PC in exchange for, some content on that PC, or a review of a PC and what I think and so on. I don't know, things like that, to just, see if manufacturers would be okay in sending me some PCs to try out, things like that. So we'll see what happens next, anyways. And I'll be my primary focus, of course, will be getting a much more modern PC that enables me and ensures me a future of Windows 12 or whatever Windows version that would be afterwards. So we'll all see with that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.